I have 5 more gallons of milk because we cannot seem to keep milk in this house lately. I also have 2 of my youngest daughter's toothpaste she was out of, so I got 2 of those. 2 of the Simple Truth organic butters. I had to do substitutions for these because my husband's not really that picky with his lunch meat. So this is the type I ordered, just different sizes. So the Black Forest ham and the roast beef for him. I ordered 6 things of chicken, but I only was able to get 3. So I'm probably gonna have to place a Whole Foods order today if I can get one to get chicken and maybe some more sliced bread and things like that. But I did at least get 3 packages of the chicken. I think I had ordered 2 things of ground beef. I only got 1. They didn't have any onions, so I'm probably gonna have to get that from Whole Foods also. 2 boxes of Ritz crackers for my husband, a bag of organic pretzels for me and the girls, 2 boxes of my favorite cereal that I have every single morning. And then I had gotten a couple different cans of diced tomatoes because I didn't know what they were gonna have in stock. It turns out they had both of them in stock, except I didn't know these were the giant cans, but that's okay. I got 2 cans of the diced tomatoes from this brand and then 4 cans of diced tomatoes from Kroger's brand. 2 more bags of the semi-sweet organic chocolate chips because the girls eat those like they're going out of style, and that's pretty much everything. So I'm gonna get on the Whole Foods website really quick, or Amazon I guess, and see if they have chicken and bread and maybe an onion or 2. Oh, I also did get some tomatoes. I just need to wash those before I put them in the refrigerator, and I have been putting them in the refrigerator so they'll keep a little bit longer. Normally I would leave them on the counter, but I've been putting everything in the refrigerator if possible, just to make sure it lasts as long as it can. Also, don't forget to use Fetch Rewards when you do any grocery shopping. I'm still getting questions about it. It works at any grocery store from what I have heard, and all you have to do is scan your receipt. Even an online invoice like the Whole Foods order, I'll just print it out and scan that receipt, and they will still give me points for that purchase even though it was done online. So super simple to use, and then you can use your rewards that you earn for all different types of rewards. I usually get gift cards with mine, usually to restaurants. So there's tons of restaurants on here. There are some spas on here, regular gift cards, floral delivery, entertainment, so like movie tickets. So definitely, if you don't have your Fetch Rewards account yet, it's free to sign up, it's free to use. I use it every single time I grocery shop, and if you use my link in the description box and my referral code, you'll get 2,000 points to get you started after signing up. So definitely make sure that you try Fetch Rewards if you haven't already. Okay, so I was able to get a Whole Foods delivery for today. I didn't understand the website, the way they had the chicken, and they just had it like sitting there with no package. So I wasn't really sure what I was ordering. So I got 3 packages of one kind and 3 packages of another, thinking that they would have one or the other. They ended up having both. So now we've got plenty of chicken for the next week or 2, maybe 2.5 depending. So I got 6 total from there of organic chicken. And it's so sad when it says fresh young chicken. Does that make anybody else sad? It makes me sad. But anyway, also got 2 things of organic chicken nuggets. Again, I got double because I thought they would have one or the other, and they ended up having both today. So I got 2 bags of just their classic non-GMO white bread, and then 2 bags of the organic white bread. I haven't been able to find the Annie's biscuits that we usually get, so I'm gonna try these Immaculate Flaky biscuits. So, I mean, they're biscuits, how bad could they be? And then 2 of the biggest onions you've ever seen. So, didn't need one quite that large, but that will definitely be, we'll definitely have enough onion for a while. So, that's everything I got from Whole Foods. And okay, so this is grocery haul number 3 this week. And this will be it for this week and maybe some of next week. But I got some more milk just because we are going through milk like crazy. So 5 gallons of milk, 2 gallons of my husband's tea. I got another package of crackers because even though I don't want to, I think we have enough stuff to have chili one more time. So I keep saying every time we have it, it's the last time until fall and winter, and then we just keep having it. But anyway, crackers, 3 bags of pretzels because my girls have recently discovered that they love pretzels. So 1 bag lasted us literally 2 days. So I got more pretzels, they were on sale. 2 things of Italian dressing, 2 boxes of the gluten-free penne. This is the first time I've found the gluten-free penne since all of this started. I've been able to find some of the other like regular penne, but we actually like the gluten-free better. So I got 2 boxes of those, another thing of Parmesan cheese, 2 bags of the Simply Smart organic chicken breast strips for chicken quesadillas, 2 more boxes of my husband's coffee, another thing of oatmeal, which again, this is not gonna last very long because both my girls eat oatmeal pretty much every day. I like to get the big one from Whole Foods, so next time I make a Whole Foods order, I'll try to get their brand, but this one's all that they had at Kroger, so I got that. I got a package of cream of wheat for me because I really like that. I got another box of the girls' cookies, a thing of the brownies that my husband and I have every Saturday night, 3 more boxes of my favorite cereal, and then I got 4 packages of chicken, and again, there's a hole in the package. They've been stacking them like 4 and 5 tall, and so the one on the bottom always gets a hole in it. That's like the 3rd time this has happened. They've been good about it though. I'll just call them and tell them usually what happened, and they give me a gift card that I can use later to make up for it. So a little bit disappointed about that, but it's okay. I have plenty that I got in the haul I showed you earlier, and then I did get 3 more packages here. That's what I got in the 3rd part of this haul. I know it seems like a lot, but I pretty much always have a running grocery click list order with Kroger, just to make sure that as I'm remembering things we need, or as we run out of things, that I'm putting them on that list, getting my name, my order at least in. That way, even if it's just a few things, I'm able to get things as we need them. Because normally what I've noticed happening is if I try to get on like to get something for a pickup that day or the next day, they don't have anything. There's usually at least a 3 or 4 day kind of lead time. So I always keep a list running. That way I don't have to wait as long. If you run out of milk or run out of bread or something, then I know I've at least got an order that I can add to as I need. So that's why I have 3 different hauls to show you guys today, just because that's kind of what happens when you have a running click list order kind of always going. We're pretty much picking up groceries 2-3 times a week, kind of depending. I'm going to sit down now and do the meal plan for the next week or so, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be making. So definitely stay tuned if you want to see my meal plan for the next week. Okay, so I'm going to sit down and meal plan. I went ahead and wrote out the days of the week before I started talking to you guys so that I wouldn't forget Tuesday like I did last time. So I'm just going to sit down and figure out what we're going to have. I did get those tomatoes. I want to make sure that I use them before they go bad. So I'm going to put things at the beginning of the week that use the tomatoes, and then other things can fill in at the bottom. So we'll have chicken tomato pasta on Monday. We've had that quite a bit lately, and quite a few of you guys ask about it. So if you ended up trying it, let me know what you thought of it. And then we'll do, I have some red potatoes that I didn't show you guys, but they came from Whole Foods. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that Tuesday because I don't want those to go bad. So chicken with the garlic potatoes, they're really good. I just use red potatoes, quarter them, and then put olive oil on them and garlic salt, and they're really good. So chicken with garlic potatoes and broccoli. Then we'll have what we call bean yumminess. I have no idea what it's called. You guys will learn that if you watch these videos, and I don't know what anything's called that I make. Basically, it's black beans. Well, basically it's like a shell-less taco, but you use black beans instead of meat. So you cook the black beans in taco seasoning, and then you top them with tomatoes and cheese, and I use Greek yogurt, but you could use sour cream if you wanted. And then you serve it with tortilla chips on the side. Or you could put it in like a tortilla shell if you wanted to, but I like this option because it's no meat and it's no like carbs from like a tortilla shell or anything like that. So we'll have that, and that should finish up the tomatoes with those things. And then we'll have chili, only because I have a thing of tomato juice I want to get rid of. So we'll have that, even though it's not chili season. It might as well be chili season because it's been so rainy and gross here lately. So that, and then we'll have chicken quesadillas. Everybody likes that, and it's really easy. And then Saturday, my husband can cook out hamburgers. He just doesn't know it yet. And then Sunday, let's see. I'm gonna write down either broccoli pasta, which I've talked to you guys about before, or another recipe that we don't know the name of is Pea Noodle. It's kind of like a tuna noodle casserole, but we don't like the tuna. Well, I don't mind the tuna, but the girls don't want it. So it's basically like the wide noodles with cream of chicken, soup mixed in, and a can of peas. Like seriously, that's all it is. The girls love it. My youngest especially, she would eat the entire thing on her own if you let her. So I usually just give them that, and I do put tuna in mine just for some extra protein, but they just like the peas with the noodles. So really simple and easy, and it'll make a good lunch too. That's the plan for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing kind of 3 hauls in one. It was kind of weird how everything fell together like that, but that's just sometimes what happens, I guess, when you keep a running grocery store order going. And I wanted to share with you guys. So let me know what you're making for dinner this week. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to join Fetch Rewards if you haven't already. The link's in my description box. It's free to sign up. It's free to use, and you're gonna get gift cards for doing grocery shopping you were gonna do anyway, so you might as well get something back for it. If you don't have an account, make sure you sign up with my link and referral code in the description box, and you'll get 2,000 bonus points just for signing up and using it for the first time. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up so that I know to do more of them in the future, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.